What you eat has a direct impact on your brain, affecting your mood, energy, focus, and overall mental health. If we broke down the brain into its basic parts, most of it would be made of fat, with the rest consisting of proteins, amino acids, vitamins, minerals, and glucose. Each of these nutrients plays a crucial role in keeping your brain sharp and functioning properly. That sluggish feeling after lunch or sudden burst of energy at night, it could be the result of what you eat. The brain's building blocks. Fats are a major part of your brain, and not all fats are bad. Omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids are especially important for brain function. They help build cell membranes and keep brain cells communicating smoothly. You can get these healthy fats from foods like fish, nuts, and seeds. On the other hand, unhealthy fats, like trans fats and excessive saturated fats from processed foods, can slow down brain function and increase the risk of memory problems over time. Proteins and amino acids. The brain's messengers. Proteins break down into amino acids, which help create neurotransmitters, the chemicals that send signals in your brain. These chemicals control how you feel, how well you focus, and even how you sleep. For example, serotonin, which comes from the amino acid tryptophan, helps you feel calm and relaxed. That's why you might feel sleepy after eating a big meal full of carbs. On the other hand, proteins from foods like eggs, lean meats, and dairy help produce dopamine and norepinephrine, which keep you alert and motivated. Eating a variety of protein-rich foods helps keep your brain balanced and your mood steady. Micronutrients. The brain's protector. Your brain also needs vitamins and minerals to stay strong. Antioxidants in fruits and vegetables protect brain cells from damage and keep your brain young. B vitamins, like B6, B12, and folic acid, help your brain process information and prevent mental decline. Minerals like iron, zinc, and copper improve memory, focus, and overall brain function. If your diet is low in these nutrients, you may feel tired, forgetful, or have trouble concentrating. Carbohydrates. The brain's fuel. Your brain runs on energy, and most of it comes from carbohydrates, which break down into glucose, blood sugar. But not all carbs are the same. Simple carbs, like white bread and sugary snacks, give you a quick energy boost followed by a crash, making you feel tired and unfocused. On the other hand, complex carbs, like whole grains, oats, and beans, provide a steady energy supply, keeping your mind sharp and focused throughout the day. Choosing the right carbs can make a big difference in your mental performance. Water of the brain's life. Since the brain is about 75% water, staying hydrated is crucial. Even mild dehydration can lead to headaches, trouble concentrating, and mood swings. Drinking enough water throughout the day helps keep your brain functioning at its best by delivering nutrients, flushing out toxins, and keeping neurotransmitters working smoothly. Food and long-term brain health. Your daily diet not only affects how you feel today but also plays a big role in your brain's long-term health. Eating too much processed food, sugar, and unhealthy fats increases the risk of memory loss and brain diseases like Alzheimer's. Meanwhile, foods rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and anti-inflammatory properties like berries, leafy greens, and nuts can protect your brain and keep it functioning well as you age. When you eat matters too. Not just what you eat, but when you eat can impact your brain. Eating at regular times helps maintain steady energy and focus. Some studies suggest that intermittent fasting, taking breaks between meals, can boost brain function and help with memory. Keeping a balanced eating schedule prevents energy crashes and keeps you feeling alert throughout the day. Exercise and brain health. Along with good nutrition, physical activity boosts brain power. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain, reduces stress, and even helps grow new brain cells. A combination of a healthy diet and regular movement is one of the best ways to keep your brain sharp. The bottom line: every bite you take affects your brain. A diet rich in healthy fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and complex carbs keeps your mind clear, focused, and strong. Avoiding processed foods, drinking plenty of water, and eating at the right times can enhance brain function and protect against mental decline. Your brain is the most powerful organ in your body. Nourish it well, and it will reward you with better focus, memory, and long-term health.